Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. If you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm gonna be doing something simple but cute in my hair, but before I start I need to blow my hair out, so let me quickly do that. And now my hair is nice and straight for the style. Before I get started, I'm gonna put this on my hand. For those who don't know what this is a Braiders Band, and I put my jam on it when I'm gonna do my hair. You could change the little cup thing that I'm holding up and put a different one on it. This one has like a glittery one for the black band that I'm wearing. It could slide right off. That's what I'm trying to show you there, and you just put the other one on. I also have the glitter ones in purple, red, blue, and pink. I have a whole bunch of these BTL Braiders Band with me, so I'm thinking about doing a giveaway on here and on Instagram. So let me know down in the comment box if you think I should do a giveaway, for you guys. This is the jam I'm going to be using today. It's from BTL. I didn't get a clear shot of it in the camera, so this is the reason why I'm showing you that one right there. So here I'm taking out some of the gel to put it on my Braiders Band, and this is how I prevent my gel from drying out while I'm doing my hair. I'm gonna start now by parting off my hair, and I'm gonna part it in the side because I am going for a side part for the style that I'm gonna be doing today. After parting my hair, I add some jam on the parting like you see me doing here, and then I go back over it with the comb, and this usually, makes the parting so much sharper and looks better. I'm going to take my first section out on this side, and this all depends on how big or how small you want yours. The first time I parted, I noticed it was too small, so I went back over it and make it a little bit bigger. And then I used a clip to hold it in place, and then went on to parting off the other side. And I'm just gonna hold this extra in the back away until I'm done with the front. I'm gonna start with the smaller side. That's just a preference of mine, no particular reason. So that's the reason why I'm clipping this away right now. So I'm gonna be using some of these rubber bands in my hair, and I've decided that I want yellow. Before I start parting out the sections, I'm gonna go ahead and add some gel all the way around it, and this way I won't have to keep stopping to apply gel each time I part out a section. So I'm gonna part out little section, I guess around the size of some medium braids, and then add my rubber bands on them and connect them to each other going down towards my ears. To ensure that I get them nice and flat, I go ahead and open up the one that I'm gonna be wrapping next and pull the first one through it. I then wrap that second one about 2 times before attaching the piece that I pulled through it in with what I'm wrapping already. And I keep doing it like that for all of them. Now I'm on to the other side, and for anyone that didn't quite get what I was explaining while I was doing the first side, don't worry, I'm gonna go over it again on this side so you'll get a full understanding. So just like I did on the other side, I'm applying gel all the way around. This way I won't have to keep stopping and applying gel to each one of the sections. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my first section out on this side and hold it in place with a rubber band. As you can see here, the second piece, I open it up in the middle, pull the first one through it, and then I start wrapping it, and then I added that piece that I pulled through onto the rubber band and finish wrapping it. And this is how I get it to, lay nice and flat. And I did that for every single one of them. I'm going to use this brush along with the gel that I showed you earlier to sleek the back of my hair down. I'm doing this in layers, and this will ensure that my hair is laid down nice and flat, especially since my hair is natural. I believe this extra step is necessary. I'm also going to go ahead and speed this section up because there's really nothing to it. What I'm doing is pretty easy to, understand, so it really doesn't matter if I'm going fast or slow for this. The brush I'm using is also from BTL, just in case anyone wanted to know. And now I'm just going to use a hair tie to hold it in place. This is a ponytail that I'm going to be using today. As you can see on the pack, it says pretty quick. I really don't know much about this hair. I found it in the beauty supply store and I decided to use it. I like it because they have this extra piece on it that you would use to wrap around the root of your ponytail to make it look cute. So now I'm going to go ahead and secure it into my hair and then wrap the piece around the root of it. To do my ponytail, I'm going to be adding braiding hair in it, and the reason why is because my ponytail is only 30 inches and I want it to be longer, and the braiding hair that I'm going to be adding in there is 40 inches, so it's going to definitely add some length to it. I'm going to start off braiding the ponytail, and as I go along I'm going to be adding the braiding hair into it. At the end of the ponytail, I added an elastic band to keep it from unraveling. I used a yellow one since I was using yellow already in the front. After I was done, I pulled on the plaits just to open them up a little bit. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish off those two on the sides, and I'm going to be using a piece of hair from the hair that I added into the ponytail, the 40-inch hair. I cut it in half, so now it's like 20 inches or something like that, and I'm gonna go ahead and braid it in. Now I'm going to use this edge control from Edge Effect to do my edges now that I'm finished with the braids. Now I'm going to go ahead and wrap some rollers on the ends of the braids on the sides and also on the end of the ponytail. Then I'm going to dip them in hot water, and this will be the last thing I do before finishing off this style. And now, as usual, I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup, and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. So this is the finished look, guys, and I have to say I am so excited. I am so pleased with the style. It came out looking even better than I had expected. I am also so in love with this ponytail. I really love the length of it. I will stand up in a few so you guys could see the length of it on me. As you guys could see from the video, it wasn't something that was hard to do, and I feel like it's a really cute back to school hairstyle. I love how nice and flat my hair is. That gel really is the bomb.com. The ponytail also is perfect, and I'm definitely saving it for another hairstyle. Remember to check out BTL Professional to get yourself one of those Braiders Band that I used today and assisting me with achieving this hairstyle. Also, don't forget to use my discount code when you shop on their website to save some money on your entire purchase of hair products. Definitely make sure you let me know what you think about this hairstyle. Leave your comment down below. Let me know if this is a style that you think you would try. This is a length on me. As you can see, it's almost down to my knees, and I am loving every inch of it. Look what I did, guys. I wrapped the ponytail up on my hair, and now I look like a goddess. I look like I'm wearing a whole crown, right? So guys, if you find this video helpful, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.